going to do a review on the, what are these, the Air Jordan 1 Air Jordan 1 Court Purple. Beautiful. Oh yes, lovely smell. Wah kya baat hai. Wah kya baat hai. Yes, you can tell if it's stinky feet, if anyone's stinky feet have been in it. Lovely, right, okay. Look at these beauties. Absolute stunners. Absolutely heavy. Right, okay, let's look at the leather on this. Yes, absolutely gorgeous. Lovely material, nice leather, nice and smooth, Tongues out here. Leather Nike tag. कमाल की चीज है यार, कमाल की चीज है. Absolutely beautiful. Nice and fresh. I think you get spare laces as well. Very good. That is good. Very good. These came out last month, I believe. So they've been out a few weeks. I think they were on retail. They were $170. I think the colorway on these, the colorway is really nice, and the whole blocking of the purple and white and the toe. Absolutely stunning. The actual purple as well. It's not like your girly purple. It's a kind of dark, and you can wear it on different outfits. Won't have an issue wearing this with anything, to be honest with you. Absolutely beautiful. The actual on this actual Air Jordan wing logo doesn't really stand out as much as I'd probably like. If they could have like a white outline on it or something along them lines, it would have been better. But overall, material wise, the leather style, the leather feel, it's very nice. Actually feels much better on the toe. On the toe, if you can see, a little bit of air conditioning for you. Air conditioning. Keep your feet nice and cool. Quickly looked at the prices for resale. You can probably get these. For maybe 180 quid, 180, 200 pound, 210, 220, 220 at the most probably. If you go on to eBay, even the GOAT app, StockX, some sizes you can get at decent price, but you're looking at average £200, 180. Right, people, I hope you enjoyed the quick review on the Air Jordan 1 Court Purples 2.0. If you could hit the subscribe button for more videos coming soon, and hit the like button, it'll help with the YouTube algorithm. Any comments below. This is Curran at Footwear Swagger, signing out. Peace!